Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word something in English. The first thing to notice is that this is a two-syllable word and that we stress syllable one. So repeat after me, something. Focusing on syllable one then, we begin with the s sound, then we have a short followed by a m, and together, repeat after me, that's some. Syllable 2 begins with the th sound, so pop the tongue between the teeth, and then we've got a short I and an ng. Putting that back together, repeat after me, thing. So putting both syllables back together, remember to stress syllable 1, repeat after me, something. So here's the word as we write it, and my main tips for this word are, first of all, vowel in syllable 1 is an not an o, so we say something with the something. And remember to try and get the tongue out for your th, nice th, something. So I hope you found that useful. If you've got something to say, then leave me a comment below and hit like to support the channel. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.